Sir, number 5 so far. How do you feel? It was a huge jump. How and
Well,
where do you credit it?
well, yeah. Siyempre, I'm very happy and thankful sa ating mga kababayan. Siyempre, hindi pa unofficial lahat yan, but we didn't expect no, yung ganitong klaseng paglabas ng resulta dahil nga base sa lahat ng mga surveys, wala tayo lagi no, sa top 12. And therefore, nasurpresa rin tayo. But at the back of our minds, sabi ko, there is one path to victory, and it all depended on the last big push. No? Yung huling big push, which we did actually nung huling 7 days. And sabi ko nga, kailangan namin ng milagro para manalo at mukhang yun ang nangyari. In the last minute, people, maraming undecided who said, sige, bigyan natin ng chance. Palagay ko ang ating naging mensahe. At yun, yung sunod-sunod na endorsements, yung ating interview sa radio, yung ating pag-ikot, yung ating huling caravan, yung bisita namin ni Sharon sa BARM, sa Mindanao, and then yung message natin no na kailangang bigyan ng pagkakataon no yung mga may naniniwala pa na may pag-asa ang Pilipinas, hiniling natin ang kanilang tulong no at ang kanilang suporta.
Have you talked with former Vice President Robredo? Has she extended any congratulatory message to you about this outcome?
Oh yes, she sent me a message, and she's very happy with the results because so far no ang lumalabas panalo si Bam, panalo ako, and then I think si Akbayan also is so that's Chel Job no and a few two others I think no and Laila de Lima, and of course she won in Naga. So yeah, for our coalition of Angat Buhay Lahat coalition, wala pang pangalan. At least yung 2022 campaign, you know, it's also a big win for us.
Sir, if you can have a message for the volunteers.
Yes, well, like I said this morning, sabi ko that we surrendered everything to the Lord. Ginawa na natin lahat. Sabi natin, Diyos na ang magpapasya at ang taong bayan. At tayo yung nagpapasalamat sa inyong naging sakripisyo. Kayo talaga ang puso at diwa ng ating kampanya sa ating mga volunteers. Alam naman ninyong lahat, kulang ang ating pondo. Hindi sapat ang ating mga posters, kulang lagi. Ang ating campaign materials, maliit ang ating makinarya, wala tayong malaking makinarya, pero ayun, tuloy-tuloy ang ating sigasig sa pagkakampanya. Wala tayong pinalampas, wala tayong walang pakundangan ng ating panunuyo. And this was made possible by, siyempre, my family, Sharon, and my siblings also were everywhere. Pasalamat din natin ang ating volunteers, influencers, mga artists who lend their stature and their influence, who took a stand. Lahat ng mga nag-endorse sa atin publicly, they didn't have to. Pero yung tapang nila ay to take a stand, napakalaking bagay sa atin. So we thank everyone. Maraming salamat to the volunteers. We dedicate actually this what appears to be a victory, no, to the sacrifices of all those who supported us, our volunteers, our supporters, Team Kiko, and of course my family.
Bilang Pilipino, bilang Pilipino.